The Scorpion is a potent tropical cocktail with a delightful fusion of citrus and rum, delivering a refreshingly exotic taste. You will need the following ingredients. 2 ounces light rum. Try using a high-quality rum for the best flavor. 1 ounce brandy. A good brandy will add depth to the drink. 1 ounce orange juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice is preferable. 1 ounce lemon juice. Use fresh lemon juice for a tart kick. Half an ounce Orgeat syrup. Adds a sweet, nutty flavor. Half an ounce simple syrup. Can be adjusted to taste for sweetness. Garnish orange slice and mint sprig. Optional for presentation. For equipment you will need shaker, strainer, jigger, ice, hurricane glass. Here are the instructions. Fill a shaker with ice. Add light rum, brandy, orange juice, lemon juice, Orgeat syrup, and simple syrup to the shaker. Shake vigorously until well chilled. Strain into a hurricane glass filled with ice. Garnish with an orange slice and a mint sprig if desired. The Scorpion bowl is a larger, communal version of this cocktail, typically served in a large bowl with long straws for sharing.